My name is Amir Ijaz and I am a Marie Curie Doctoral Fellow in France. Today I am going to share a very important way how to apply for Marie Curie Doctoral Fellow, that is also known as Marie Skłodowska-Curie Doctoral Fellowship. Not only this, I will also be talking how to apply for master degree program in Europe under different European Union funded project. And believe me, this all available on a single website that is known as EURAXESS. So you only need to do is to come and type EURAXESS jobs on Google, and then this interface will appear in front of you. The first website, that is euraxess.ec.europe.eu/jobs. You need to click here on this website, and then this European website will appear in front of you with a European Commission logo. Then you need to do to click on search for job here. Firstly, I will talk about how to apply for PhD, and then I'll be telling about the master degree applications. So you can see different jobs are being appeared here, but these jobs are not specific to any discipline. In order to make it specific and according to our own discipline, I need to click and keep it job offer selected, and then I need to select country if I am interested. I think it would be much better to keep it unselected, because if you keep it unselected, the jobs being offered in all country will appear on the portal. Otherwise, if you want to select any specific country, then only the country that you select will appear on the portal. I suggest you need to keep it unselected to have maximum job, and then you need to put the research field, which is quite important. Suppose I write chemistry here. You can write according to your own, and I select all the fields of chemistry, all the disciplines that are being offered, whether it is chemical engineering or chemical physics or chemical technology or chemistry, in order to have maximum job opportunity. And then keep it unselected, and then the sector C, you need to keep it unselected, and then the position, which is very important for PhD, you need to type PhD here. Otherwise all job will appear. And then the funding, which is also important. If you are only looking for the Marie Skłodowska-Curie Doctoral Fellowship, then you need to click on Horizon Europe MSCA. And you can also click on Horizon Europe co-funded, which is oftenly funded with the Marie Skłodowska-Curie Fellowship. And then you need to apply the filter, and then you will see that the jobs only relevant to the chemistry will appear. You can select according to your own requirement, according to your own interests. So suppose I'm interested in this job, and this job is being offered in Germany, and you can see the logo here, which is a logo of Marie Skłodowska-Curie Fellowship, and it was posted on 30th of the September. If you are interested, then you click on this position, and the further detail of this job will appear on your page. Here you can see everything: working hours, full time, and it is being offered by MSCA, and every stuff you can find. Offer descriptions, from background information, where to apply. This is the website. Here you can click and apply, and all the requirements of this position will appear. The benefits are quite high, highly regarded fellowship. um, the benefits are quite high. They are also offer the family allowance, which is quite high, and also the mobility. If you go to the conferences or for the training programs, they also pay you. So it is quite easier. And above all, how you can apply? You just need to click on application, apply now, and you will be directed to the direct to the university portal where from where the job is being offered. So it is quite easier. I guess it is very easier not only to find the positions but also to apply on the single portal or website. So if you want to change a country, if you are suppose you are interested in France, then you can apply this filter France, and then apply filter, and now the jobs only being offered in France will appear. You can see this job is co-funded, co-funded Marie Curie with some other organization, and it's being offered in France, and it is in Lyon, the city where I am being uh, doing my research. So very easy and very interesting as well. Now I will be talking on uh, how the master students can apply. So you just need to come on the front page, and you need to click on suppose you click on EURAXESS website, and then you need to click on search for jobs, and then most importantly you need to put some filters here. Suppose I select for all, whether it's funding or hosting, and if you are interested in some specific country, then you can filter it here, but I suggest you need to keep it unselected. And then what you need to do, you need to click here on your own research field where you are interested to apply. Suppose I select it all, so that maximum jobs may appear, and then the sector where you are interested, I am going to select all. You can select according to your own desire, and very importantly here you need to put on PhD, master positions for the master jobs. So after that, you need to select all, because for PhD, a lot of PhD positions are available which are funded, but for master there are not as much position. You need to click all the funding programs to have maximum master position, and then you need to apply filter. And if you apply filter, I don't know why it's not working right now, but after applying the filter, you will have the master jobs. Suppose I do it again and find if these appear or not. Let me ensure you that they will appear if you apply filter. Suppose I click on master position, and then I select all, and then I apply my filter. Let's see whether the jobs appear or not. So yeah, they should appear. They should, yeah, you can see different fellowships. It is so you can find by this way junior researcher and like that. So if you are interested, then you can find. Yeah. So it is very easier for you to apply and find the positions on this EURAXESS portal. So this was all about today's video. I hope that it will be interesting for you people. Like it and subscribe it to have come across the many opportunities that I'll be sharing on this channel. Thank you.